Ever heard of Raiz? You know, that investing app that's supposed to make saving effortless? But have you ever actually stopped to wonder what it really stands for? No? Well, get ready to have your mind blown. Raiz. It's a catchy name, right? Short, punchy, easy to remember. But behind that simple moniker lies a deeper meaning, a philosophy, if you will. And today, we're diving deep to uncover the secrets behind this seemingly innocuous name. Now, you might be thinking, duh, it's just a made-up word, a clever marketing gimmick. But you'd be wrong. Raiz isn't just a random collection of letters. It's an acronym, a symbolic representation of the very essence of what the company aims to achieve. So, what does Raiz actually stand for? Let's break it down. R for roundup. This is the core of Raiz investment strategy. It's about those spare change moments, the 47 cents you didn't spend on coffee, the $1.23 left over from your lunch. Raiz automatically rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests that spare change. For accessible, investing should be accessible to everyone, not just the wealthy. Raiz breaks down the barriers to entry, making it easy for anyone, regardless of their income or investment experience, to start investing. I for investing. This one's pretty self-explanatory, isn't it? Raiz is all about investing your money, helping it grow over time. But it's not just about throwing your money into the stock market blindly. Raiz focuses on long-term, diversified investments that can help you build a strong financial future. Z for zero fees. That's right, Raiz aims to minimize fees as much as possible, ensuring that your investments work harder for you. Lower fees mean more of your money goes towards growth, not towards paying someone else. But the acronym is just the tip of the iceberg. Raiz embodies a deeper philosophy, a belief in the power of small actions to create significant change. It's about recognizing the value of every dollar, no matter how small, and harnessing that power to build a brighter future. By automating your investments and making the process effortless, Raiz empowers you to take control of your financial future. It's about making saving and investing a habit, a part of your everyday life. It's about turning your spare change into a powerful force for your financial well-being. Now, you might have some questions. Is it safe? Is it risky? How do I know where my money is going? Raiz addresses these concerns with transparency and security. Your investments are diversified across a range of assets, and your funds are protected. Plus, you have full control over your investments and can adjust your settings at any time. So, there you have it. The meaning behind Raiz. It's more than just an app, it's a philosophy, a movement. It's about empowering individuals to take charge of their financial futures through small, consistent actions. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.